Hey you guys, welcome back to Goes Delicious. Today we have a quickie. We make everything in the oven, chicken roulade with a herb filling and vegetables. So let's start.
So what we need is chicken breast, prosciutto, sour cream, vegetables like carrots, potatoes, onion, garlic, and so on.
Well, the melon doesn't belong to the menu. I recommend some slices of melon together with a salad as a starter, and then the main dish, the Involtini alla erba, how it is pronounced in Italian, together with the vegetables out of the oven.
First we're gonna start with chopping herbs, and I use here basil, thyme, and rosemary. When you can do that fast, you certainly are a champion, a chopping champion. Now I add a pressed garlic clove and a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now the chicken breast we slice into 3 thin schnitzel. Of course, it would be easier if your butcher would do that thing for you. That goes easier. And now seasoning with salt and pepper. Okay, now the pesto goes on to the schnitzel. And then we add some thin slices of prosciutto and roll them tight together and fix it with a toothpick. So we almost coming to an end. We peel the vegetables and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Put them in a bowl. Add some olive oil and season them with salt and pepper. And then it's ready to go. Okay, now we put it in the oven by 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, last but not least, we make a salsa with sour cream, nutmeg, or curry, and garlic and some salt. The meat is done when you can pull out the toothpick very easily.